Let's look at how you can create a load for the crane operator. At the moment, our active crane operator is on the lattice boom crane. You can move around the scene using the keyboard WASD, just like in video games. You will also see the player tag in the scene. This is essentially your student. Now you can create loads for the crane operator so the student has something to lift and move. To do that, open the menu on the left and go to the crane operator section. Here you will see your operator, for example player 1. Select it and click the Load Constructor button. In the constructor, you can choose either standard loads, such as standard containers in 10, 20, 40, or 45 feet, or you can create a custom rectangular load of any size. For this example, you create a 20 feet load. Next, choose the rigging option. You can generate different attachment setups with a master sling or without. In this case, you create the load without a master sling. Before generating the load, you can rotate it and visually inspect it. You can also see the center of gravity, shown as a small red dot, so you understand how the load will behave when lifted. Now click Generate and place the load on the deck. If you need to move the view or zoom in and out while you work, hold the left control key. This lets you pan the camera and adjust the scale easily. As you move around, you can also see that the crane has a large working radius, covering both the platform and the nearby ship. Zoom in, position the container on the deck, and then press Confirm. The next step is to choose the target area where the load should be placed. For example, you may want the student to move the load onto the deck of the ship standing nearby. At first, the placement zone matches the load dimensions exactly. This can be inconvenient, especially during offshore operations, so you can enlarge the target zone by 5%, 10%, or 20%, or you can increase it manually to any size you need. After adjusting the zone, press Confirm again to finalize the setup.